Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an iPhone 6's screen that won't touch. First, let's try some simple troubleshooting steps. A quick restart of your iPhone can often clear up minor software issues that might be causing the unresponsiveness. Also, make sure your screen is perfectly clean. Sometimes dirt or smudges can interfere with touch sensitivity. Finally, take a close look for any physical damage to the screen itself, as this could be a clear indicator of the problem. If a simple restart doesn't work, we'll move on to software solutions. Ensuring your iPhone's iOS is up to date can fix bugs affecting touchscreen performance. If the issue persists, consider performing a factory reset, but remember this will erase your data. Always restore your iPhone from a recent backup after a reset to get your information back safely. These steps can often resolve deeper software conflicts. When software troubleshooting isn't enough, it's time to look at the hardware. You'll need specialized tools to carefully open your iPhone 6's. Once inside, inspect all internal connectors, especially those related to the screen, for any signs of looseness or damage. Sometimes, simply reseating a connector can resolve the problem. If everything appears connected, a full screen assembly replacement might be the next step to restore touch functionality. For a screen replacement, always choose a high-quality assembly to ensure proper function and durability. Follow a detailed, step-by-step guide carefully during installation, paying close attention to all screws and connectors. This process can be intricate, so take your time. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic containers and other great deals. After installation, test your new screen thoroughly to confirm full touch responsiveness. With patience, your iPhone 6's can feel like new again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.